Hello guys, review Tecno Spark 30. This version 8GB memory and 128GB storage, KL6 model. Open box, look completion. Okay. In completion we have protected back cover. Adapter for charging, headphones and Type-C cable. Device in the white color. Now talk about device. Double camera on the back side. On the front side 6.8-inch display. On this side power button and volume buttons. On this side slot for SIM cards. On the outside Type-C port, speaker and microphone. And headphones jack. Turn on device, we have IPS Full HD display, 6.8-inch. Open settings. High OS version 14.5.0, Android 14. Look benchmark results. LG 52MC2 GPU and CPU Helio G91. Results. Look until the benchmark results. Okay. And run PUBG Mobile, look how this game works on the device. Okay. Game load and graphics, medium or this level. Okay, now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.